In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend data in Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio. Blending data is a powerful feature that allows you to combine data from different sources directly within your reports, providing richer insights and a more comprehensive view of your analytics. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head to lookerstudio.google.com. Open it up in your preferred browser and you'll be greeted with the home page. From here, you can either open an existing report or go ahead and create a new one if you're starting from scratch. For those of you working with existing data, just navigate to your report, otherwise you can start fresh to ensure you've got the exact setup you need for blending. Once you're inside your report canvas, take a look at the right hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Add Data. Click on it and now you'll need to choose the data sources that you'd like to blend. This could be anything from your Google Analytics data to BigQuery tables or even other cloud data sources. You'll want to connect these data sources. Once done, it's time to add a visual component. Next, find the Insert option. Choose and add a chart to your report. It could be a table, a time series graph, or a bar chart. Just make sure your selection supports data blending. After your chart appears on the canvas, click on it to bring up the data panel on the right. On this panel, notice that under the data source section, there's an option titled Blend Data. Clicking this opens up the Blend Data panel where the real magic happens. Here, you'll need to select your primary data source. This is the main set of data you'll be working from. With your primary data source selected, look for the option to join another table. Click on this to choose your second data source. Now, an important detail to remember when blending data is that both data sources should share a common dimension. This could be something like a date, a campaign ID, a country, or a product ID. Both data sources must have this dimension so they can be successfully joined together. Next up, you'll select the specific metrics you want to display from each table. It's a good practice to choose metrics that align with your analytical goals to ensure you're gathering the most useful insights. Once you've picked these metrics, you've got to configure the join settings. Determine the join operator you'd like to use, perhaps a left outer join or an inner join, and specify the join keys, which are the common dimensions binding your tables together. After you've set all these configurations, don't forget to hit save to lock in your blended data configuration. With that done, you've successfully blended data in Looker Studio. Enjoy the enhanced insights and ease of analysis that comes from having rich blended data sets at your fingertips.